As we get to the notion of purpose as something that extends beyond ourself. So our nervous system comes in contact, in relationship to other nervous systems and other systems in general. But this is where we would engage other people. And then it's no longer isolated within my nervous system. My nervous system is interacting with other nervous systems and co-creating another kind of intelligence, kind of sense of energy, this idea of neurological levels. And the point being that as you engage each of these higher levels, you are actually engaging more and more of the nervous system. And we will see that reflected in the kind of movements that people make. And not only movement, but then also the resonance within the nervous system. So again, this is the basic idea of neurological levels. We'll be continuing to revisit that. As again, this is this idea, as you'll see, that each level now includes the previous levels, but is activating something more. We're getting access to something more. Then there's a greater and greater, not only activation, but a degree of intelligence, a degree of quality of information, of energy, etc. Now, as I said, relates to our experience, our nervous system, how we engage the world. We can apply this notion of these levels multiple ways. So first of all, if we think about any basic process of change, you have a present state where you are, and you have some kind of a path to reach that desired state. And we can begin to utilize the notion of the different levels to map things about the present state, to map things about the desired state, which levels are involved, which levels have been engaged or not engaged in the present state, and which ones are engaged or necessary in that desired state, and then what are necessary in order to reach that desired state in terms of resources. And so one traditional way we can use levels is through problem solving. I'm in this problem state, I want to get to a desired state. How do I solve the problem, get to that desired state? Another way is planning. I start with a desired state. I want to achieve this. How am I going to achieve this? How do I, in a sense, what steps am I going to take in order to reach that desired state, rather than what steps am I going to take to solve this problem?